Good morning, grade 8. I hope that you are doing well. Let's start our lesson today. Today we are going to take same like what you took it yesterday, but in a different method, which is elimination method. And let's see, as you can see now in front of you, your title is Solve a System of Equations by Substitutions using a Real-World Problems. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to analyze and solve pairs of simultaneous linear equations. Your success criteria here, you will be successful when you can analyze and solve pairs of simultaneous linear equations, solve a real-world problems, mathematical problem in two variables. Your vocabulary today is analyze and elimination. So we will use our elimination method. Before we are going to start, you know that our required material for this lesson is to use your textbook, your math tools, calculator is not allowed, and please use your notebook. As usual, we have I do questions, and this I do questions, let's read it. Write a system of linear equations from the situations given and solve the system using the elimination method. So we are going to use elimination method to solve. As we took it in the first 2 days of our week, how to translate and how to analyze. Lori on 30 beats. I will write, okay, D for ducks, C for cat. So D plus C equal 13, and all are 40 legs. Cat has 4, duck has 2. So 2D plus 4C is equal to 40. How can I use elimination method to solve the equations? Okay, let's start with note. You should understand it. Okay, in this note is talking about what? You cannot use elimination method without making two variables, two letters having the same coefficient. You have to make two variables having the same coefficient. So if you have D and you have 2D, you cannot eliminate. Eliminate, it means removing. So you cannot delete. I cannot delete. Before multiplying the up and the upper equations by 2. If I multiply the upper equations by 2, I can eliminate the two letters together. Okay? So first of all, I will multiply the whole equations. I cannot multiply only D. So I will multiply the whole equations by 2. If I multiply the whole equations by 2, the equation it will be like 2D plus 2C equal 26. And you know why I'm multiplying by 2? Because I want to make D having the same coefficient so I can erase it, so I can eliminate it. Elimination, it means remove, delete. Okay, I will rewrite only the equation again. I will just rewrite it. 2D plus 4C equals 40. And then I will do subtraction. I will just write the second note here. I wrote it before last week, but inshallah I will write it again. If you have same sign, so you have to subtract. If you have different sign, so you have to add. Here I have same sign, 2 and 2, which is positive 2 and positive 2. Same sign, I will subtract. So I will do subtraction operation. If I do the subtraction operation, I will delete 2D with 2D. Let's do 2 minus 4 and 26 minus 40. Here, 2 minus 4 equal negative 2. 2 minus 4, I'm not saying 4 minus 2, it's 2 minus 4, equal 26 minus 40. 26 minus 40. The small number minus bigger number. So it's a negative 14. I will divide both sides by negative 2 because I am gonna make C subject. So divided by negative 2 both. Here is gone. C is equal 7. Negative 14 divided by 2 is equal 7. So once I get C is 7, where I have to substitute it to get the value of D, any one of these two equations, it's up to you. Any one of these two equations. Okay, mister, I will substitute C is equal 7 in this equation. Okay, let's see. I will write it. D plus C equal to 13. So I will substitute D with a number 7 plus C equals to 13. How many C here? If I have 7 plus number equal 13. So C is equal what? 7 plus number equal 13. I will change 7 to the other side. It will be minus 7. 13 minus 7, it will become 6. So I got the value of C and I got the value of D. This is D, guys. I'm sorry. This is D. Because here in this equation, it's written like C plus D equal 13. Number of cats and ducks together equal 13. Okay? So I just substitute C with a number 7 here to get the value of it. Thank you very much for understanding I do questions. Let's move to we do questions. And here in we do question, we will together do this question, but we are going to use elimination method to solve the question. Okay, let's see. Use elimination method. Okay, in machine A, it costs 50 per day to operate, and there an additional fee 1.50 per item, and item is X. Okay, let's write our first equation. Y is equal 1.50x plus 50. Second machine is B. It costs you $50 per day to operate, an additional $2 per item. Item is X. So Y is equal $2 per X plus 10 per day. After writing these two equations, do you still remember our notes? Yes, mister. Our note, if you have same sign, you are going to subtract. If you have different sign, you are going to add. Remember to make Y or X having the same coefficient. Here I have Y having the same coefficient as Y. So I'm happy. I can do directly minus. So I can erase right now. I can use the elimination method. So by subtracting Y with Y, it will be 0. So 1.50 minus 2. 1.5 minus 2. Negative 0.5x here. And 50 minus 10 is equal 40. I will switch x to the right, to the left hand side to make 0.50x equal 40. I will divide by 0.5. 0.5 x, it will be 80. So once you get x is equal 80, you are going to substitute it to any one of these two equations. So I will write y equal to x plus 10, and don't forget to substitute x with a number 80. So I will write it y is equal to times 80 plus 10. Y is equal 160 plus 10. So y is equal 170. I hope that you understand from me. I got the value of y, and there is a value of x is given 80. Let's move to the third slide. It's you do questions. This question is independent task. You should do it by yourself, guys, and try to get your answer. The answer I will provide it in your worksheet. If you understand from me this video and you met your success criteria, analyze and solve your pair of simultaneous linear equations, so congratulations, guys. If you are not, I'm very sorry to hear from you that if you didn't understand from me, please rewatch the video again. Meet you tomorrow. Thank you.